Check out this brand new ad. It's called the Updated Home Value Lead Ad in StreetText. You'll find this under the Launch Ad section. And if you hover over the stats here, it's fairly new. We only have about 7 people using it so far, but the cost per email is $4.95. And keep in mind, these are seller leads. And because it's saying another home in your area is currently under contract and is on track to close soon. Remember, the sale of this home could potentially impact the value of your home. And I'll show you more of what this looks like right now. So if I click select on this, it's going to open it up here, and you can see we got this image, which I'm going to show you how to customize in just a minute. And it's got your city or neighborhood. So let's put in, I'm gonna put in Lakeview Heights where I live. You're gonna put in any area that you have a new listing that's closing, or you can pick a listing that is closing that you have permission to share. So another home in Lakeview Heights is currently under contract and is on track to close soon. Remember, the sale of this home could potentially impact the value of your property. Remember, your own property. So this is speaking to sellers. Why wait? And so this is a great opportunity to get another home valuation. So I'm going to show you what this looks like when we launch it and also how it connects to the home value side. So I'm going to go ahead and change this image to a new one. And I really recommend using a tool like Canva. If I hopped over to Canva here, you can see I just typed in business Facebook post. You can type in Facebook post or whatever else. There's all these great templates. There's all these real estate ones. Even if I clicked blank though, and I created a new blank template, if you're on the left-hand side here, if you just go to elements and then scroll down to grids, you can click see all, you can get a template that basically is very similar to the one that we were just using. So, all right, here's that exact template, which is image here, smaller and wide. And if you take a look here, that's exactly what's going on here. Now all I do is go to uploads and you could drop in, this is just a mix match of images, but you get the idea. If I was to drop all these in right now, I get to make my own custom image, just like that. Then go ahead and hit share and you're gonna download it. Click download. Now that it's downloaded, you're gonna go over here, you're gonna click this X button. You're gonna click upload a file, select that new image. And just like that, we have that new property that is under contract. Go ahead and click next. This is really cool. So you can basically send people anywhere you want with this ad. We're gonna automatically collect the email and phone number and name of the person that's coming through. In this case, you can use a StreetText home value page, or you could use anyone's. I'm just gonna hop over to Chase Whitney's site here, and he's got his own home valuation page. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy that and head back here just to show you how easy it is. You can even use a HomeBot one. You can use whatever you like. Go ahead and hit next. Okay, then what I recommend doing is click this drop a pin and put in the property address of where that property is. So I'm just gonna make this up and say this one's in Orlando, Florida. I'm gonna go ahead and hit done, leave everything else. So put in the property address. It's gonna do a 15-mile radius right around it. You can see it's got that 15-mile radius around that property address. Hit done, click next. I recommend doing a 3-ad split test on this. I'm just gonna go ahead and hit launch 1 ad right now so I can show you what it looks like. But do the 3-ad split test so that over the next 24 hours, you can choose the best performing ad. All right, go ahead and hit deploy. Congrats, that ad is launched. You can go ahead and hit finish. I'm gonna hop over to the ad section to check out my new ad. All right, so you can see here is the ad I just launched. It may take a minute for your ad to go active. I actually just paused this for about 5 minutes and my ad went active. But I'm gonna go ahead and click on view your ad now so I can show you what this looks like on Facebook. So you can see the ad, another home in Lakeview Heights. Here's the image that we use. If I go ahead and click on this home sale could impact the value of your own property. Click the button below to receive your updated value for your property. I'm gonna click next. This is just some demo information. I'm gonna go ahead and click next, submit. So it says, thank you. Click the button below for the updated home value. And in the meantime, we've already got the lead. I'm gonna go ahead and click get updated home value. And now they're gonna land on your landing page wherever you had sent them. Once again, I highly recommend trying this new ad out. Focus on seller leads. I'm excited to see the results that you get.